Matt's interrupted every video I've done. It's him if you want to know, Danny. It's time. Done a little drive out in Keith's. Paul liked it, didn't you, Paul?
Ah, very impressed.
It's nice and flat. Brakes, I think brakes are probably better than, or they felt better than Mini at BMW anyway, so I'm not sure what's happening there. But yeah, whether they'd last as long as they will, I'm not too sure. But crazy how flat, how much grip, even on these tyres, not fancy, whatever they are. So, might have a little go after dinner, but not too crazy. We're on. Good, doesn't it? That's enough now. You've got to quit while you're ahead.
Yeah, 130 oil temp is a bit.
Yeah, he's fine. That's it. It is good though, isn't it? It is good.
It is good.
It was just so neutral
Yeah.
and not understeering at all, wasn't it? Like, did we ever actually really understeer? I don't.
It's like even on turn it rotates a
Yeah,
bit.
yeah. It like you can feel it's you're leaning
Yeah.
on it, and you're like you can't just turn and let it have it.
Everybody is laughing at it as well.
That was good, weren't it?
It's hilarious. It's quicker than I expected.
So hopefully got some good footage there. It's definitely quicker than a X550D. Don't know if that's tuned or not, but yeah, like ridiculous. So thank you for letting us use it, Keith. I'll not do that again, I promise. But yeah, it was worthwhile doing. I wanted you to come in because I thought you were going to end up doing something stupid. Why it's so weird? It's in that 550D. Yeah, it was quicker than it, weren't it?
I know it's quicker than it. You were going alright though.
I know, yeah, it was, yeah.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, this is good, yeah. Yeah, really happy.
Tyres are a bit warmer.
Yeah, I bet they are.
Sounds good from behind as well.
Does it?
Yeah.
Honestly, not even trying that hard, do you?
Feel like you're ragged.
No. It just does what you want it to do. You know, you turn, it goes.